Blower door. The barrier layer is essential in order for a passive building to operate properly, since it prevents heat loss through unwanted and uncontrolled air leakage. It requires meticulous execution by construction professionals and a thorough monitoring of the work by the technical management. Quality control of the barrier layer is done using an air tightness test known as the blower door test. At least 2 tests are usually conducted in a passive house building, one during the construction work and another when construction finishes. The first test is not required, but it is highly recommended since it would be counterproductive to continue work without being certain that the desired air tightness has been attained. To conduct a blower door test, all the building's natural air entry points are sealed, gratings, siphons, and all windows and doors in the envelope. Interior doors are left open. Next, a big fan is installed in one of the openings in the facade, and the rest of the opening is covered with a tarpaulin or the like. During the blower door test conducted during the construction phase, the barrier layer in the walls had to be held in place with polystyrene wedges to prevent damage from suction. The fan is connected to a computer which, once there is a pressure difference of 50 pascals between inside and outside pressure, displays airflow and pressure graphs. This is how the number of air changes per hour due to unwanted leakage is calculated. In a passive house building, this number cannot exceed 0.6 changes, but in the case of refurbished buildings, this ratio is more forgiving and permits up to 1 change per hour. In our case, a value of 0.4 was obtained on the construction test and 0.78 on the final test, as shown in the graph. Despite having achieved the goal, smoke tests were subsequently conducted to detect leaks that had penalized the results. As a result of these tests, adjustments to all the door and window frames were made.